Alright, let's go, bro.
Right here, I feel like there'd be a bunch of motherfuckers. Huh? Use your e-brake, dog.
Down the log, bro. Right here on the right.
I don't know. Hello. God damn. Mind if I get on your truck?
Get it, bro.
You think the neighbors wouldn't mind if we I borrow their shit real quick?
We can go with this.
The fireplace? Are we gonna take that top off?
Nah, I think
For sure, so we're gonna fall right back into the trunk.
okay. Well, once I speed up, that shit will just fly away.
Fucking nice, huh?
Yeah. You think people swim here?
Yeah, that's Bear Canyon Lake is. This sucks, it's cold.
Dude, there's water seeping out. Opening it?
Yeah. Before you, yeah. Take your time, dude. Don't fucking get stuck.
What the fuck?
You got snagged already?
Fuck!
I'm fucking telling you. Go, hold on. Don't pull up. Go try to go like, bounce it a little bit like this. And then jerk it off. Pull hard.
Right now?
Yeah. Ooh.
Fuck!
I told you.
I threw it this way!
Yeah, you gotta, I told you start small like this, look.
What should I do, bro?
You gotta cut it.
I already got one, first cast.
What'd you get? You got a tree?
Looks like it.
Fucking noobs. Ooh, I felt a little nibble. Oh, I got snagged. Pull that motherfucker. It's either gonna snap off or you're gonna take it out. Tying your drag.
All the way, huh?
Yeah. What up? Fucking a foot.
Go for it.
Yeah.
I'll go for it. You almost kill a fish though?
Oh, I'm just on a little stick here.
Fuck it, go.
Or should I go when we're done?
Yeah, maybe when we're done.
Yeah, I'll go when we're done.
Hey, Nick, everyone take a photo with him, man.
It's for the vlog, bro. Look what I caught, guys.
Look what I caught today, guys. This was pretty insane fight.
Hey, how much do you think he weighs? No, I'm being dead ass. I was fucking
Nick, take a photo with him, bro.
No, I didn't take a photo. Wait.
Hey, you gotta release it though. You're the one that caught it.
No, dude, I'm being dead ass. I was fucking around. I was like, I caught a fish and I thought I was actually snagged, so I pulled it back and I heard my line go, and it was moving away.
1.5, dude. That's actually a good.
So I timed it and I was like, fuck.
Like a Subway sandwich. Like a Subway sandwich.
Oh my God.
That's fucked up, fool.
Bye, guys. The only fish in this whole lake, bro.
That's fucking crazy.
That's crazy. Corn, bro? Are you kidding me? No. Wait, on corn?
No, no, I didn't hear
Shut
him.
the fuck up.
I swear it was corn.
No, look.
This dude caught a 1.5.
No, dude, I was.
I thought it was a spinner bait.
We fucking have that.
No, dude, no, I was fucking with because you guys.
Damn, that's a good size. We keeping them or what?
Yeah, let's keep it not too long. You want him, bro?
Is he good to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll eat him, bro. Let me take a photo of him for my class. Okay.
You good? Fool? You guys scared?
I just didn't want to.
Take a photo of him for my fucking class. What's he tell?
Want to hold him?
Remember,
It's like my cock.
Hey, but like, is the one where like the scales be hurting you or not?
Nah, his teeth are a little sharp.
Is that dinner?
Oh, that's the master bedroom, boy.